Hey guys, Matt from RVTravelAdventures.com. Our friends over at Finding Our Someday not only post a lot of great content, they're also Lippert brand ambassadors for Lippert Components, who makes a lot of the components that go into most of our RVs. Recently, they teamed up with Lippert to give away one of their Lippert Super Shades that attach to your awning, give you a little bit of shade in your campsite. We were lucky enough to win that contest, so big shout out to Finding Our Someday and Lippert Components. Make sure you're following both of those guys on social media. But on our last camp trip, which took a little bit of time, got that Super Shade installed. So check it out, and we'll give you some of the pros and cons along the way. All right, so we got it out of the box, got a nice carrying bag in it. So when we take it off, bring it around, looks like it's gonna be nice and easy to roll up and store. We're gonna go ahead and set up a tripod and go ahead and get this thing put in. All right, so pretty cool setup. Biggest thing we learned is that the Super Shade is significantly bigger than their standard campground shade. Really designed for taller rigs, your fifth wheels, some of those higher awnings. We have a 2250 RK from Graying Design, so much lower awning. So we really didn't need something quite this big, but I think we're really gonna love it because the overall length is fantastic. The section that drops down from the actual awning, a little over 3 feet, and then the zip-on section at the bottom adds another 6 feet of length to it. So we've got quite a bit of shade there. Only disadvantage we see is that top section that does attach to your awning, being that little over 3 feet, close to 4 feet. You're gonna walk into it. I'm a tall guy, so even with it all the way up, I kind of walk into it, but it really does just that top section add quite a bit of shade to the campground. So we're based out of Florida. It's hot most of the year here, so I think we're really gonna like having that extra bit of shade. And then we really have room to set up the whole thing. It adds a whole another dimension to your outdoor living space, kind of cuts the wind a little bit, definitely gives you a whole lot of shade, helps keep the side of your rig cool. So great product. If you're looking for something super big like this, the Lippert Super Shade is a great option. And they also have other side panels that might fit your needs better if you're looking for something a little bit smaller. But be sure to check them out at Lippert Components. And again, thanks to Finding Our Someday for pairing up with Lippert and offering this giveaway. Give us a chance to check this out. Be safe, guys. We'll see you out there on the road.